Hi, I'm Angie Nelson, founder of theworkathomelife.com. Are you looking to make some extra money, but you're tired of hearing the same old recommendations over and over again? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a few great new opportunities to make extra money from home that you can try this year. Make sure you stay till the end of the video to find out how you can get my 7-day series on finding work at home free. The first opportunity I wanted to talk to you about was becoming a courier. Now, a lot of you have told me that you're really not comfortable with the whole Uber driver or ride sharing opportunity thing. Maybe you just don't feel comfortable allowing strangers in your car, and that is perfectly understandable. But you still can make money from your car as a courier. We're seeing more and more of these opportunities popping up through companies like Uber Eats, where you are delivering, food from local restaurants to people, or Amazon Flex has a new opportunity in which you are delivering packages on behalf of Amazon. You may be familiar with their new same-day service that they're offering in a lot of metropolitan areas. One of the ways that they're making that happen is through hiring flex drivers. Those are independent contractor positions. They don't pay too shabby, and these courier positions are really flexible. If you are working a day job, this is something that you could definitely do at nights and on the weekends when you have some time available. The second one I wanted to talk to you about was English as a second language tutoring. Now, unlike a lot of the online tutoring positions that we see, English as a second language doesn't always require a teaching certificate or even a teaching degree. In many cases, you just need to have a college education or a bachelor's degree in a specific subject. And from there, you can start tutoring people in other countries that are looking to learn English. In many cases, it is students, in high school students that are looking to learn English. So this is a great opportunity to do that. This again, it doesn't pay too shabby. A lot of the sites, you're paid by the minute. They usually give a roundabout wage or hourly rate is around $20 an hour, but it will be determined by how much time you're actually spent teaching. Another great opportunity is to rent your stuff. You likely have a lot of higher end things around your house, whether it's a professional camera, maybe you have a boat or an RV that you aren't using all of the time. All of those things can be rented out to other people. There's definitely going to be a larger demand, for things like RVs or boats or even bicycles if you are in more of a tourist location or a warmer climate. But definitely look into those things. If it's something that you're not using all of the time and maybe it's more of a luxury item that maybe not everyone can afford, definitely look into some rental opportunities. Another great opportunity we want to talk to you about is we all love smartphone apps these days. Anytime you can make money on your phone, it's a good thing. And anytime that you can make money hands off or without really thinking about it, we love it even more. And one great new opportunity is called Acorns. And what Acorns does is it invests your money into the stock market. You can tell it the kind of things that you're interested in, and it will start rounding up your purchases. And once you hit a certain amount of money, it will go ahead and invest that money so you can start making your money, earn some money. This is a great time to do that. And investing is something that we all know that we should be doing, but it often seems out of reach. Maybe you can't come up with a big chunk of change all at one time to go drop it, to your financial advisor or your investment advisor. With Acorns, it kind of makes it something that you're not really thinking about. It's just rounding up your change and dumping it in there as it hits a certain amount. And Acorns gives you a lot of different flexibility as far as what you can be doing there so that you're really in control of what's going on. You aren't just handing it over. The last one that I wanted to talk to you today about was called Trim. This is another app. And what Trim does is it will look through your bank statements or your credit card bills, and it will identify recurring charges. You know, we all sign up for things like gym memberships or subscription boxes or things like that that they sound really great at the time, or maybe they had a free trial period available and we just never got around to canceling them. Or in some cases, canceling them is a total pain in the butt, and so you just don't get around to it. Trim will actually cancel those subscriptions for you in many cases. And another thing that they can do is they can negotiate your cable bill or your phone bill with a lot of companies. And that's another thing that can save you time and it can save you money. And in a lot of cases, in those cases where it's recurring charges, that money is something that can really add up over time. So I'm going to drop a link to a blog post in the description here that's going to have some other great opportunities for you to try out this year. And while you're over there, make sure that you get signed up for my free 7-day series on finding work at home. And if you like this video, make sure that you click the like button below, share it with your friends, and make sure you're subscribed. I will see you in the next video.